Hello and welcome everyone. This video will continue solving grade 8 past papers of mathematics. The first question for today, it says if x equal to -2 and y equal to -1/3, the expression 5x minus 3y the whole over x plus 3y gives, it says. So we need to substitute the values of each variable are given to us. So 5x minus 3y over x plus 3y. So in place of x we'll substitute -2. So 5 times -2 minus 3 times -1/3 the whole over x plus 3y means -2 plus 3 times -1/3. This is going to be 5 times -2, it's going to be -10, and here the 3 cuts, and negative will be plus 1. The whole over, here also the 3 cuts, and -2 minus 1 left. This will be -9, because -10 plus 1, the whole over -3. So finally the negative cuts, and 9/3 will be 3. So the answer is found in A. Next, the second question for today, again it is a kind of substitution. It says if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 7, so then 2 times the square root of x plus y the whole square, it says. So we will substitute again. 2 the square root of the x value is 4 plus 7, then the whole square. This is the same as 2 times the square root of 11, still the whole square. But remember, there is a rule: ab the whole square is the same as a square b square. We can square separately, so this is the same as 2 square and radical 11 square. 2 square means it's 4 times radical 11, the whole square will be, the radical will be cancelled out and 11 left. So 4 times 11 will be 44. So finally the answer is found in C. Okay, next. The next question is a kind of absolute value, as you see. It says what is the solution set of 2 absolute value of x minus 5 plus 6 is equal to 14. So the first thing, we need to make the absolute value alone. Okay, to do that we need to shift the constant first to the right side. So it's going to be 2 times absolute value of x minus 5 is equal to 14 minus 6. So 2 times absolute value of x minus 5 is equal to 8. Then divide both sides by 2, because our objective, the first step, we need to make the absolute value alone. Then what left now? X minus 5 left to the left side, and to the right side it's going to be 4. Therefore we have two outcomes now: x minus 5 is equal to 4, or x minus 5 is equal to -4. Let's do for each of them. Then here the -5 will be shifted, so x is equal to 9, one answer, or the other answer, x is equal to -5. When you shift it, it will be added, so -5 will be plus 5 to the other side, so -4 plus 5 will be 1. So we do have two answers, which is 1 and 9. The answer is found in C. The next question, it is rational number, adding and subtracting, operation on rational functions. These are fractions. So let us start. Okay, so in this question there is some kind of error. We need to correct it. The error, this division, it is plus. Let's correct it. So it is -4 full 2/3 plus, in bracket, in big bracket, -1/3 plus 4 full 1/6 divided by -3 full 8/5. So the first step, we need to complete the bracket here. We need to remove the bracket according to BODMAS, the BODMAS rule. The first one is bracket, so let's do that one. -1/3 plus the mixed fraction has to be changed into improper. 4 times 6, which is 24 plus 1, 25. Then the whole over 6. What did I do here? I multiply for the full number with the denominator, then add the numerator, and the denominator will not be changed. As you see, the 6 comes as it is. So now to add these two fractions, the denominator is not the same, but I can multiply by 2 to make the denominator the same. It's going to be -2/6 plus 25/6. So this will be 23/6. Done. So now the whole fraction will be, again let's change this mixed fraction. 4 times 3, 12, plus 2, 14. 14/3, but the negative remain, don't forget it. plus 23 over 6 divided by 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 8 will be 23. So negative 23 over 5. Okay. According to BODMAS, again there is plus and divide, so divide first. So negative 14 over 3 remain as it is, plus 23 over 6 times, we need to flip, negative 5 over 23. Okay, let's make a line here and cut this 23 and negative 5 over 6 left. So negative 14 over 3 plus negative 5 over 6 left now here. Now again the denominator is not the same, we can multiply by 2. This one by 2, this also by 2. Okay, to make it clear here, let's try to write this part. Yeah, multiply by 2 also this part. So the line, let's make it here. And let's change the color to make it unique. Then this is going to be negative 28 over 6 plus negative 5 over 6. You see now the denominator are the same. You can add, which will be negative 33 over 6. You can simplify by 3 by 3. So it will be finally the answer. Let's write it up here. By 3 by 3 it will be negative 11 over 2. This must be the answer. Even in the choice the answer is not found because this question has some kind of error, but the main objective, okay, let us correct it and let us do it. This is the way, this is the pattern, this is the algorithm that you need to follow to solve such kind of question. Okay, let's continue the next question. The next question, it is equation having denominator. As you see, the denominators are here 4, here 3, here 6. This denominator, it's 1. So first we have to find the LCM of these numbers. The LCM of the denominator numbers, we can see the denominator numbers, that's 4, 3 and 6. For the denominator of those numbers, LCM will be 12. So we'll multiply by 12 everything. Let's do it. 2x minus 5 the whole over 4 will be multiplied with 12. Okay, minus x over 3 also multiplied with 12 is equal to 2 also will be multiplied with 12 minus x plus 4 over 6 also will be multiplied with 12. Okay, then by 4 1, this by 4 3. So what left? 3 in bracket 2x minus 5 minus by 3 1, this by 3 4, and 4 times x will be 4x is equal to 2 times 4 will be 24 minus here by 6 1 by 6 2, and 2 in bracket x plus 4. Okay, next let's multiply. 3 times 2 will be 6x minus 15 minus 4x is equal to 24 minus 2x minus 8. The negative also will be distributed. Then collect the like terms. 6x minus 4x will be 2x minus 15 is equal to the right side we do have negative 2x plus 24 minus 8 will be 16. Therefore the 2x will come and added, so it will be 4x is equal to the negative 15 will be goes and added, it's going to be 31. When you divide by 4 both sides, so the x value will be 31 over 4. So the answer is found in C. Yes, that's correct. Let's write it final answer here correctly. Sorry for the mess. 31 over 4. Yeah, that's it. Next question. The next question, it says 5 times the difference of a number and 3 times 3 is twice the number, it says. Okay, it says 5 times the difference of a number, let the number be x, the difference of a number and 3, that means x minus 3. So 5 times the difference of a number and 3, that means 5 times of this, 5 times of the difference of a number and 3. So okay, let's write it once again better. Okay, 5 times, he says 5 times what? The difference of a number and 3. So the number we said it as, let's say it x, so the difference of a number and 3 means x minus 3. Then 5 times this thing is equal to what? Twice the number, twice x, because already the number we said it x, let the number be x, keep this in your mind. Therefore solving this, multiply, the 5 will multiply each of them, it will be 5x minus 15 is equal to 2x. So collect the like terms, 5x minus 2x is equal to 15, the 15 goes, and 3x is equal to 15, so divide both sides by 3, so the x value will be 5. That's the number which is found in D. The next question, if the slope of the line passing through the point 4,1, through this and this, it's given to you. This is the slope, remember, this is the slope. So let me remind you one thing. If a line passes through the point, 2 points like x1, y1, and another point, let's say p2, which is x2, y2, from this we can say the slope of the line will be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This time the 2 points are, what are they? 4 and 1, the first point, and the other point is 3, a. And the slope is already given to you, 5. So we can say 5 is equal to, because the slope is already given, is equal to a minus 1. This is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, we know. So y2 minus y1, it says, so a minus 1, the whole over 3 minus 4. Therefore 5 is equal to a minus 1 over negative 1. Then crisscross. When you multiply crisscross, 5 times negative 1 will be negative 5 is equal to a minus 1. Then shift the 1 to the left side. So negative 5 plus 1 is equal to a, negative 4 is equal to a. That is the value of a, which is found in the slope is negative 5, it's not 5, so let's correct it. The slope is negative 5, this one. So this was negative. When you multiply, this is going to be positive. So when you add it, it's going to be 6, positive 6. So the answer is found in D. Very good. Let's continue to the next question. Okay, the next question again, it's asking you what the slope of a line. What is the slope of a line passing through? Already here, the 2 points are given to you. This one you can take it x1, y1. This one is x2, y2. So we need the slope. So we already defined the slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is, what's y2? 5. 5 minus 0 over negative 3 minus 1, which will be 5 over negative 4. The negative denominator will be raised up, negative 5 over 4. So the answer is found in AS. Here it is. Okay, next question. The next question, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. What is the size of the largest angle? You can, in case of ratio, you can give for each of them same variable, x, 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 or a, the same variable anyways. So this time the ratio is 2x, 3x, 5x. Then since it is a triangle, the sum of the three angles should be 180. So we'll add it. 2x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 180. Add it, it's going to be 10x is equal to 180. Then divide by 10 both sides. So when you do that, you get x value 18. Okay, we have x, it doesn't mean we need to stop here. The question is asking us what is the largest angle. The largest angle obviously is 5x here. So the largest will be 5 times 18. When you make it, it's going to be 90. So the largest one is right angle, correct. Okay, next question. It says the lengths of the sides of a triangle are 4, 6, and 8. Okay, this triangle is enlarged so that the larger triangle is similar to the original and the scale factor is 6. So what the perimeter of the larger triangle? Actually, since the scale factor is given to you 6, each side will be enlarged by 6 times. As this says, it is similar triangle. The original triangle is enlarged as by a scale factor of 6. So each of the sides, originally the triangle where the sides are 4, 6, and 8. Now the new triangle is larger, 6 times enlarged. So 4 times 6 will be 24, and 8 times 6 will be 48, and 6 times 6 will be 36. This is the new triangle. So we are asking the perimeter. The perimeter means the outer lengths. So add them, which will be 24 plus 48 plus 36. So the sum of this number will be 24 and 36 will be 60, and 180, I think, yeah, it will be 180. Yes, the answer is found in C. Next question. The next question, it says which one of the following is not. Take care. Is not. That's why it's written in capital letter. So is not and is true. You need to be clear with that. The first one, A, it says 8/18 in the radical. This one we can simplify by 2 4, this by 2 9. So 4/9 we can write it. Okay, we can simplify because both of them are even numbers, by 2 by 2. Then 4 and 9 are perfect square numbers, so easily extracted from the square root, which will be 2/3. That's correct, A. The answer A is correct. What about B? It's mixed fraction. It says 1 full 11/25. It says in the square root, so we need to change it into improper. 1 times 25, 25. 25 plus 11 is 36. So 36/25 in the square root. Both of them, the numerator and the denominator, are perfect square number, will be extracted 6/5. Still it's correct. And C, by the way, C, let me recall one thing. -5 square, it's not the same as -5 square, because here the square doesn't include the negative. This means -25. But the other one, -5, this means -5 times -5. This one, it is the same as -5 times -5, because the square is for including the negative. But here the square doesn't include the negative, so that the final answer still will be negative. But here it will be positive 25. They are not the same. So here the square doesn't include the negative, so that the result should be negative. But it's not, as you see. So this is wrong. The next one, square and square root are cancel each other, and the answer will be 7/8. That's correct. So the answer will be C. Which one is not correct? Okay. Next question. The next question again here, it's cubing. So first of all, 216 means, it's 6 cube, and 729 means it's 9 cube. So in the cube root, this is the same as cube root of 6 cube over cube root of 9 cube. So cubing and cube root are reverse process. They'll cancel each other. 6/9 left here also. So you can simplify 6/9. 6/9 means by 3 2. This by 3 will be 3. So the answer is 2/3, which is found in A. You need to complete until the end. Okay, the next question. This is going to be the last question for today. If it says which one of the following is not, again, true about for any whole numbers A and B. A, square root of A times B is equal to square root of A times square root of B. This is correct. You can take it as a rule, and this is always rule. But in case of square root of A plus B, okay, it doesn't mean square root of A plus square root of B. Even for minus, if there is minus, you can't do. They are not equal, it says here. They are not equal. This means they are not equal. You cannot decompose. You cannot break down the square root in case of plus and minus. But in case of times and divide, we can. Even square root of, for example, if you have A over B, you can write it square root of A over square root of B. Separate, you can give the square root. Over means, it's divide. So for divide and for times it works. So this is also correct. But this one, no. In case of squaring, also the same. AB the whole square is the same as A square B square. But A plus B the whole square, it doesn't mean A square plus B square. It doesn't mean, even for minus, doesn't work. So the answer will be C, which one is not correct. In this manner, keep on studying. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. I will continue solving additional national examination. Thank you for watching.